Okay guys, so for 4.1.4, right, the 4.1.4 says Mr. Matthews claims that his annual taxable income is 445,831.50 cents. Verify these calculations whether they are correct or not. So let's take the question again. Mr. Matthews claims that annual taxable income is 445,831.50 cents. Verify, show all calculations whether his claim is correct. So we are verifying that is this claim correct or not, right? So in our statement we are given a basic salary per month, right? So in order for us to calculate a taxable income, we have to work with that basic salary per month. So we're going to take that basic salary, which is 40,165 per month, and then we're going to multiply it by 12. Multiply it by 12 and get 481,980. So this is the basic salary per year, and he contributes to 7.5 pension fund, right? So you're going to multiply this by 7.5 to get the pension fund contribution, right? And then the pension fund contribution is 38,148.50. So this is the pension fund contribution. So in order for us to get a taxable income, even the formula says that it is basic salary minus, or basic salary or gross salary minus deductible deductions, right? So pension fund is a deductible deduction, so you need to deduct it, right? It can't be taxed. So we're going to deduct this pension fund from the basic salary. So it's going to 481,980, deduct the pension fund, 338,148.50, and then we get 445,831.50. Therefore, statement is correct. Therefore, statement is correct. Then you can get your full 5 marks for this question. Okay.